Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Expensify with QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through connecting your Expensify workspace to your QuickBooks Online company so your expenses, receipts, and reports can flow into your books automatically. Before you start, make sure you can sign into new Expensify and that you have the right permissions on the workspace and that you have QuickBooks Online credentials with access to the company you want to link. First, open New Expensify in your browser and sign in. On the left side of the app, look for the Workspace section in the navigation. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the labels. Click Workspaces to open the list of workspaces you have access to. Choose the workspace you want to connect. Inside that workspace, head to the area called More Features. This is where optional capabilities are managed for the workspace. Find the accounting option and turn the toggle on. This enables accounting integrations for the workspace so you can connect to your ledger. Once that's on, select Accounting to open the accounting settings for this workspace. On the accounting page, click Connect. This launches the QuickBooks Online connection flow. A new window or tab will redirect you to Intuit's secure sign-in page. Log in with the QuickBooks Online account that manages the company you want to use. If you have access to multiple companies, pick the correct one when prompted. Review the permissions requested, then confirm to authorize the connection. After you approve access, you'll be routed back to Expensify, and you should see that your workspace is now connected to QuickBooks Online. That means Expensify can sync the data it needs to keep your accounting up to date. A few quick tips as you go. If you don't see workspaces in the sidebar, make sure you're on the new Expensify homepage. If the accounting toggle is disabled, you may need an admin role on the workspace. If the Connect button seems unresponsive, allow pop-ups for Expensify or try another browser. And to avoid permission errors during the Intuit sign-in, use a QuickBooks Online admin account and verify that you've selected the intended company. That's it. You've connected your Expensify workspace to QuickBooks Online using the built-in accounting features. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need to follow along step by step.